Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Spring has sprung, and what better way to handle it than by power washing? Y'all know I love me a good power washing video, and this video is definitely satisfying. Look how dirty this patio is. It's covered in moss, grass, dirt, mildew, all that great stuff. The house is pretty bad itself as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this handled today, right now, quick, fast, and in a hurry. I wanted to be sure to show you all of the before shots before we get this taken care of because, again, the outcome is just crazy to me. This is a Power Shot pressure washer and it has 3600 PSI and it's exactly what we needed. I really tried to own this project, but my husband always tries to be extremely helpful. So we were just going back and forth. 1 minute he'll do it, then I'll do it. It also makes your hands hurt, so it kind of was a great trade. Also, the other thing is, in case you're not aware, I do live in a condo. We own our condo, so it is attached to other homes, and we're just going to do the siding of our specific condo and no one else's. Although we did want to hook the neighbor up, but we didn't want to just do it without her asking. So Miss Doreen, if you are watching, let a sister know if you need a hookup, okay? Because I got you. The last time our condo was power washed, a company did it because we do pay condo fees, but now they've increased our fees because they said they can't afford to do any potholes, any power washing, or anything like that. So hopefully they will handle it throughout the complex because it's pretty bad all over. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button so that you know when I put videos out. I do them every Thursday and it's home management. So cooking, cleaning, shopping, doing projects, DIYs, all of that great stuff. If that's something that you're interested in, please don't forget to hit subscribe, tell a friend, tell your mama, tell your grandma. That way we can all just live happily together and sing Kumbaya.
Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, all our flaws, all our flaws, all our flaws.
It was at this very moment when we realized we need a ladder.
Hey, you better make it worth it. Just stay, just stay. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, all our flaws.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDMing, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud. I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine.
Big difference already. When my husband was hitting the actual building, one thing that fell off was a dryer protector, so he's gonna try to get that cleaned off, but it's kind of funny. It's like a cat and mouse game. Check this out.
Well, baby, got a hold on it, let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so bear with it, yeah. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, me.
You'll have to let me know below in the comments if you like power washing videos as well. Also, let me know how you're doing and what you've been working on.
Love the things we do.
I love the sound of a good power washer.
I can see you looking at me. Yeah, my eyes are open wide. So you want me to set you free? Take a walk with me outside. Tell me everything about you. Yeah. 'Cause I really wanna know. You can ride with me.
Hey, Coach Will, put me in, sir. Put me in. I really don't think y'all understand. I was having the time of my life doing this. I've literally been waiting to do this for like 3 years now.
I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold.
I wanted my husband to do the overall clean and then I come in and do the detailed clean just because I like to do detailed things. And let me tell you something, it really worked out well. Like I said, the trigger part is really, really hard on your hands. So it was good that we were able to trade off, but this really, the transformation is just crazy. I know I've said it before, but you just wait until the end, okay? It was definitely rewarding, definitely worth getting dirty for. It was really hot outside and I had a jacket on because I was just getting soaking wet.
Give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it, let's go for gold. Yeah, yeah, let's go for gold. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it, let's go for gold. Yeah, let's go for gold. Yeah.
It really feels good to have years and years of buildup just completely taken away by like washing it. It kind of reminds me of how God just like washes away your sorrows, washes away your pain, washes away any kind of worry that you may have as long as you surrender to Him. In this healing and mental health journey, have you been saying your affirmations? We've only been talking about it for like a year and a half now. We really want to heal. We want to be in a place of peace and serenity. We deserve that. You need to know that you're worthy and you deserve those things. So be sure you're saying your affirmations. Thank you so much for being here. Please do not forget to hit that like button. That way YouTube will know that people actually like watching my video and maybe they will push it out just a little bit further because they don't really push it out that often. So the YouTube powers that be, why y'all do me like that? Why y'all do me like that for real?
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch.
I'm taking you back to the beginning as a reminder of what things were looking like before we actually started. Just in case you forgot, because I need you to see the difference, okay? Major difference.
Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. No, get like this. Yeah, get like this. Yeah, get like it, like it, like it. She loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming.
Here's what it looks like when it's actually dry. These are the hydrangeas that I'm going to plant back here. But look at this. Oh my gosh. It is so clean. It is so fresh and so clean. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed filming it and seeing the outcome because it's a major difference.
It's something about you I miss.